Hey guys, we're bringing back 2017, or was it 2012? I don't know. We're going old school, little snooki style. Anyways, hey guys, wait, thumbnail. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda and I have a lot of YouTube channels, and I know what you're probably saying, holy guacamole. In less than a week, we're getting another video from this woman? Like, who is she? Consistent? I know. Anyways, hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. I am not doing a cooking video, which I do have a short I'm gonna upload because we did do, if you guys caught my last, I think it was the Thrive Market video, I was telling you guys that I was going to do the viral TikTok pasta dish with Alfredo sauce and pasta sauce and all that stuff. I did it and I made it a short, and my family gobbled that up. I mean, it was so freaking good. I used the Dreamfield pasta because it doesn't spike your insulin as much. You guys know that I've been pretty good about trying to keep my sugar levels in check and everything. So anyways, today we're doing a Temu haul. If you've not heard of Temu, well, do you follow me on my other two channels? Temu has been, this is not sponsored by the way, Temu has been like my latest hyper focus. That and Skims. I got this Skim shirt and it's so freaking cozy. I love it because I can't feel it. And I just started getting the boy shorts over there from the Fits Everybody line. I love the Fits Everybody line. Anyways, I digress. So Temu, if you're new to it, they are very, in my opinion, comparable, if not better, to like Walmart, Amazon, Shein. It's amazing. It's an app that you download, or you can just like shop right at temu.com. But I do have a coupon code. It does earn me a little bit of a commission, just FYI. It's AFF2950. I'll pop it on the screen. It will earn you 30% off your first order with Temu, and thank you if you use it because it helps afford me to keep purchasing from Temu. At least that's how I justify it. So anyways, I got a huge Temu haul to show you guys, and in this haul I'm kind of thinking like DIY project, so yay. I've got so many thoughts. I'm also really bad about, for example, I'm like, oh, I could DIY this and DIY that, but like here's the thing, there's not a ton of time in the world, you know? So I run out of time, or I run out of energy. So I'm trying to be better about starting a project and finishing a project. You gotta love having ADHD. Okay, so the first item that I picked up, I actually already own it. If you guys watch me on my other channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, I forgot that I picked it out when I did a sponsorship with them, but I had ordered this already, and then, like I said, so crisscross, but whatever, I digress. So this is a delicious potatoes, tender and fluffy. If you have watched me for a hot minute, you guys know that a friend of mine back in like the 90s would take a baked potato, score it with a fork, and then put it in a plastic bag and chuck it in the microwave and cook it for 5 or 6 minutes. Well, I just kind of followed along, and I've done that for a bajillion years. And when I did it on one of either videos over here or maybe on my other channel when I was dabbling in doing like what's for dinners over there, which jacked up the whole analytics. But anywho, that's why I started this channel, is to stop jacking up my MD channel analytics. I talk a lot. Shh, we're here to have fun. Anyways, some of y'all made a comment that really made sense that I never thought about, and was like, is it really safe to be putting your food in a plastic bag and then cooking it? I'm like, probably not. So I picked this up. I just got off the phone with Haley, my oldest, and I was like, hey, y'all eat baked potatoes? And she's like, yeah. I said, how you cook them? She's like, the way you taught me, in a plastic bag in the microwave. I'm like, okay, baby child, I got this for you. You're gonna get it. So anyways, this was, it was like $10, I do believe, but remember, with that coupon code, you're gonna get 30% off. Next in here, oh, it's a cotton swab holder. The prices are absolutely so insane. So a lot of people will be like, can you pop the prices on the screen? No, I'm not gonna do that. One, it's too much work, and two, the prices change with your coupons. So I will just have the link and the list of everything that I purchased. But I thought this was really cute. It was literally like $2, y'all, and you've got a nice little lid. It looks like it's wooden, but it's actually wooden. So I don't know what the point. Oh. Oh, okay, it's a Monday. I'm filming this on a Monday. So anyways, there you go. So I was kind of thinking I could put this in my beauty room, and I think I'm gonna do that. I mean, I could put it in the bathroom too, but I feel like I always am like searching in my beauty room. It's not organized. People are like, oh, you have ADHD and your house is so organized. And then like on my vlog channel, they'll say that, and I stand in the corner of my room. I'm like, if I could flip this mother trucking camera around. Next in here, I picked up, was it, dude, you got a, wow, I am shocked. Okay, so fun fact, I will talk about the fact that we are going to be growing another garden this year. I, however, am not in charge of the garden because I don't have a green thumb, okay? I put fake flowers out because, again, I just don't do well gardening or planting flowers. So I got these, y'all, I kid you not. You get, how many in here? 1, 2, 4 per pack. So I got a bunch of packs, and I literally, this is what I put in my baskets. This is what I put like in the ground. I don't even care. And I think these were like $2 a pack or something. It was less expensive, I'll tell you that, than going to the Dollar Tree. Because the Dollar Tree is gonna cost you $1.25 per thing. I'm gonna plant these out because I felt like that was a seasonal kind of plant that when spring comes, I'm good with this. I don't even know what it is, but I got a lot of them. When I bought my house back in 2013, the woman who lived here before me, and I don't think it was a bad idea, she put like these Klingon stickers on the window and all that for privacy. And I liked them, but I don't like the color. But I like the way they work. So I got this one. I haven't decided if I will totally use it. I was going to, but I found this like Klingon stuff on Amazon where you can still see out, but when people look in, it's kind of mirrored. It's like a tint. So I think I may use that instead of this one, but I know I'll find something to do with this. If not, Temu has a 90-day return policy, so I may just return it. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, okay, I was really feeling DIY-esque, all right? So, I got, did I only get one box? Oof, I thought I got 2, maybe not. I got a big old roll of contact paper that is a furniture adhesive, and it's okay with moisture and stuff. Okay, look at this. If you guys have been with me for a hot minute, you know that this is just contact paper. This is not tiles. I did that probably like 2 years ago, and when it got crazy cold here in Kentucky, just whatever the freak it got cold, it's always cold, but we did our fireplace. We used our fireplace and everything, and a lot of people were like, oh my gosh, you're not gonna be able to like use your fireplace. I'm like, it's okay, I don't really use it. And then obviously it was so cold, we needed to use it. And the contact paper did great. It didn't get hot. Now what I did is right behind it is the tiles, but a lot of people were like, it's not going to be safe for you to use. Whatever, it was perfectly just fine. So I thought maybe I would DIY my countertops from my house was built in like 2004, so it's an older home. I mean, I'm not investing to put brand new countertops in and cupboards because that's freaking expensive. So I thought I would try DIYing stuff, so I may do that. So I got this. I thought this would be something to use like in my drain, but looking at it, I feel like how's the hair gonna really catch, because the holes, look, this was like 60 cents. So I don't know if this is actually gonna work, but we'll see. I love these, and these are like not even $1. These are like the little Shave Your Peach Fuzz. So I get these and I love them. I only use them like one time and throw them away, but these are great. Oh my gosh, I got sunglasses. Another pair of sunglasses. Okay, so fun fact, I break all sunglasses, and I like really big ones because I have like cheeks, and these are cheek approved, meaning I can smile without, so this is great. I love these. My kids hate them. They're like, you look like a bug, and I'm like, okay, listen, let me live my life, okay? So these are really cute. They were literally no more than $5. All right, so here's the big thing that I want. Oh, wait. I got an avocado doohickey. So you could slice your avocado. Avocado! So my husband eats a lot of avocados, and I thought maybe this would be nice for him. So it's like, and there you go. Literally 98 cents. Love it. Okay, I have to show you all what I did. So, I guess I thought these came with more than they actually do, so I'm gonna have to return these. But it's a little backsplash. But then, after I placed my order, Temu does this thing where they're like, hey, we got some other things that we could show you. I was like, you do? Let me see. And they're like, okay, here. I like these better. Which, like I said, they have a 90-day return policy. Fun fact, I don't have a backsplash in my kitchen, so this is just like a peel and stick. So I thought, why not try it? I don't know. I mean, worst case, I don't like it and I just pull it right back off. But it's not cute. So, and it's like a foam, so it'll be easy to cut. I mean, I don't think it looks that bad. I'm sure somebody is gonna whine about it, but you know what, Linda? You can pay for my home renovation, okay, if you want. And while you're at it, I would like an in-ground pool too, if you want to pay that. It does have a little like step-by-step doohickey on how to do it. Here's a really good marriage tip, okay? So I am a Gemini, all right, which means, guess what? I'm not gonna measure. I'm gonna slap this puppy on here and just start figuring stuff out. I'm probably gonna get annoyed and walk away. If you are a Gemini or an air sign, or you have ADHD, marry yourself a Virgo. Virgos are amazing. Mine's out in the basement working. He more than likely is going to literally get annoyed at however I decide to start doing this, and very kindly take over the project for me. And it's gonna look amazing, okay, because he'll be in charge of it. However, I'm gonna start it, but he will more than likely finish it. It happens all the time. It's great. If you just want something done, and there's a good chance you're not gonna do it up to a Virgo's expectation, just start it. He'll take it over. You're welcome, ladies. He's probably down there like, she's on to me. So anyways, I guess these came in packs of 10, so I got 2 packs. I thought that these did too, but they obviously don't, so I'm gonna just return these. And then I did pick up, these are freaking amazing. Okay, so sleep is crazy important, and I see a lot of y'all on, especially on my other channel, talk about like you don't get really good sleep and everything like that. And I hate to hear that, because sleep is so important. Sleep is like when your body literally starts fixing itself. And one of the things, when I broke my collarbone last year, back in July, I was always a side sleeper. So it was the hardest thing in the world for me to become a back sleeper. Now, there are benefits to sleeping on your back, y'all. Like aging, it's anti-aging. Everything just kind of falls back here. I mean, these go off to the side, but who cares about that? So anyways, I now, because I had no option but to sleep on my back for so long, that I just stay sleeping on my back. The only problem is my mouth falls open and then I'm not getting enough oxygen. So I started taping my mouth shut. I kid you not, I get the best mother trucking sleep. I wake up and I feel amazing. Like, I was literally ready to go do a sleep study and get a CPAP machine. But like my husband, because I was like, I wake up and I'm so exhausted, and I know that I have thyroid issues, but my thyroid feels fine. You know how you just know your body? You know when your thyroid's flaring up, and you know when you're just sleeping like dog poo. You know what I mean? So these are literally $4 and change. They were actually less expensive on Temu than what I found on Amazon, where I bought my first box of them. So, and of course 30% off, you're gonna get it way cheaper than that. But I literally just tape my mouth. It keeps my jaw from falling open, and I sleep amazing. Like, I feel amazing. Okay, this was 60 some cents, and this is for those of you that are short and petite, such as your girl, and can't reach your windshield. So it's just a little windshield wiper cleaner. That's it. Wasn't even $1. So anyways, that is everything in this Temu haul. Oh, no, it's not. I got a sticky bra. Literally, it just sticks on, and I love them. And these are nice because I got a C cup, but these are nice because they clip in the middle. So you unclip it, then it's got an area for your, you know, and then you set. It's self-explanatory, y'all know. So I will put my list of everything down in the description box for you guys. I'll leave the prices down there. And like I said, thank you guys if you do use my code or link to sign up to Temu. I'm on there all the time. I have another order I'm gonna unbox, but I'm just gonna put it on the other channel. So if you guys made it to the end of today's video, thank you bunches. I greatly appreciate it. I love just chit-chatting and being random with y'all. Definitely make sure to check out my shorts. Check out my other channels as well. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time.